Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to download WAV from ElevenLabs. So actually guys, at first you all need to go to the ElevenLabs.io website and then log into your ElevenLabs account, and then go ahead and click on the text to speech under the playground section on the left hand menu, and enter your text right here and choose your voice from here. Okay, so here you can, or where you can choose the voice, and now just click regenerate or generate speech. Okay, now you will need, or when the audio preview appears, you will need to click the download button right here. Okay, and if a format option appears, select the WAV. All right, and you can download as well from your history. So just go with the history right here and choose an audio and download it. And as I told you, you will need to choose the WAV format. And if WAV option doesn't show, you will need to go back to the settings right here, and if you have the required plan, you will be able to see the output format or audio format option, and then just change it to WAV if available. Okay, so if the WAV is locked, it may require a higher subscription plan. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.